All right, back again with another video. I got a Jeep Wrangler 3H. One of the jobs that too many technicians screwed up. They use call knife, extractors, and all kinds of sharp tools, and end up scratching the pinch wheel. And it's a really simple job. I'm gonna use the orange bat to remove this windshield, and I got the line already set up. Hopefully the line is not twisted. Let's see, let's put it right here. Now let's begin with the cutout. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the bottom first. Let's pull it up. Just make sure there's one it's supposed to go. There we go. Alright, so let's keep going. Alright, my line is twisted. My line is twisted, so I need to fix this. Okay, so here is the line is twisted. So if I can fix it right here. The bottom one. This is the upper. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that's the upper. It should be like right here. I'm gonna set up the bat on this angle right here. Yeah, when the line twists, sometimes you could just untwist it over here. Sometimes you have to pull it, start over again. Not in this case. So let's continue with the bottom cut. Alright, so now let's go to the top. There we go. Go. Lock this thing right here. There we go. I'm gonna move this a little bit, give it a better angle. That way I don't have to put a lot of stress on the line. And I'm gonna lock this up and continue with the bottom one. Okay, let's see right here. It's already out. Now we're ready for a primer. That's all I prime. I don't prime the edge of the glass. I did it once, believe it or not, the customer complained that it wasn't look like a factory, because when the glass is original, never been replaced before, you can see the edge of the glass when it's clear. You can see the clear right here, right on the tip. And he complained the first time I primed the glass. So since then I never do that. There we go. All clean. Not necessarily to make any mess.